Welcome to our video series featuring the PFAFF Creative Icon 2 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This video will be focusing on speech recognition. Please check out the other videos that are available, and don't forget that there are over 100 tutorials that you can access right from the screen of your PFAFF Creative Icon 2, and those can be found in the Help Center. For today, we're going to talk about speech recognition. In the box with your machine, you should have gotten two handouts. One is how to get started with speech recognition, how to set it all up, and the other is how to talk to your Creative Icon 2. Those are going to be important, so make sure you locate those and keep them handy. But let's talk about speech recognition for a second. This is so exciting. This is an industry first. There is no other sewing machine brand with this kind of technology on it. So it is really exciting that you also get to be part of this brand new technology in the sewing world, because your Creative Icon 2 is the only machine out there that's going to have this capability right now. So many of you have probably had an Alexa device or a Google Home device. So you might be a little bit used to those. One of the questions we often get asked is, do you have to have a physical device? And you do not. With the Alexa, you can download an app to your phone, and there is no charge for that app. And you can connect through the app and use your phone as the device to talk to Alexa. So
This might answer your question. Using your voice, you can ask me to play any song or artist, set timers and reminders, control smart home devices, reorder products, and call or message hands-free.
As you can see, I do have a device, so I did wake her up when I said her name, so I'm going to have to be more careful now. So again, your speech recognition, where to start, that is going to walk you through step by step how to get connected. You will need to have a MySewNet account because it links through your MySewNet account. Now, if you've had a device, I just want to point out that it probably took you a little while to get used to how to talk to it, how to phrase your questions to get the answers that you want. We still fight with ours sometimes and have to ask the same question 3 or 4 different times, phrasing it differently until she understands the question. It's going to be a little bit the same with your sewing machine for a while. Remember, she's new to this too, so she will learn along the way, and she will get used to the words and the commands and the questions that we ask her. So it will get better over time as she develops in this technology and in this arena as well. But just, don't get frustrated if you have to ask a question a couple times, and just be patient. If your command is not executed, rephrase your question or command, maybe making it more specific. You do also have to start your question with ask the Creative Icon 2 to do this. So you do kind of have to make sure she knows what she's connecting to. So let's see if I can do a little demo here of some of the features. And this is just a small portion of the features, but I do think it's kind of fun and exciting. Alexa, ask Creative Icon 2 to show me how to do an invisible zipper.
Do you want to see a tutorial, or do you want to read about invisible zipper in the user's guide?
I would like a tutorial, please.
Okay, please check sewing machine screen for details. Should I wait for more commands?
No. So
Okay,
as you can see, a tutorial opened up on my screen. I did not touch my screen. It opened up through that speech recognition. I'm going to close it. Alexa, Tell Creative Icon 2 to go to embroidery mode.
Switching to embroidery mode. Should I wait for more commands?
No.
Okay, bye.
So as you can see, when I asked her to go to embroidery mode, that is exactly what happened. It moved into my embroidery edit screen. Alexa, ask Creative Icon 2 to show me all the butterfly designs.
Please specify area to search for butterflies, library, help or machine.
Library.
Please check search details for butterflies on sewing machine screen. Should I wait for more commands?
No, thank you.
Okay, bye.
So as you can see on my screen, she searched the library. So I did say to search when she asked me if I wanted her to search on the machine or in the library. I said library. So she did search in the My Sewnet embroidery library, which is visible from your machine. So right on the screen of my machine, she has pulled up all of the butterfly designs that are in the library. So isn't that fun? You know, those are some of my favorite things that you can ask her to do. So any of the tutorials that are built into the machine, you'll be able to ask for Alexa to show you that tutorial. Sometimes she could load a design or load stitches or open a menu of stitches. So I think it'll be really fun. I think each person will, you know, get their own little commands, their own little set of commands that they're going to ask a lot just based on the type of sewing and the way that you sew. There's going to be certain things that are just going to really click with you. So I hope you have fun with that. Please read over the how to talk to your Creative Icon 2. Read those phrases. Remember that you do need to say, ask my Creative Icon 2, so that she knows what device she's connecting to. So I hope you have fun for that. Thank you.